The reservation problem.
Emma arrives at a busy restaurant for a special dinner. Daniel, the waiter, tries to find her reservation.
Good evening. I have a reservation for a special dinner tonight.
Good evening. Welcome. What name is the reservation under?
It is under Emma Ruiz, for one person, at 7.
Let me check. I do not see it here.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will bring dessert to Emma at the door. B. He will check the reservation more carefully and find a date problem. C. He will ask Emma to cook in the kitchen. B. He will check the reservation more carefully and find a date problem.
I found your name, but the booking is for tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Oh no. My phone says tonight.
May I see the message, please?
Yes, here it is. I really need a table tonight.
Question. What will probably happen next? A. Emma will leave without speaking again. B. Daniel will look for a possible table for Emma. C. Daniel will close the restaurant early. B. Daniel will look for a possible table for Emma.
We are very full, but I can try to help.
Thank you. A small table is okay.
There is a table near the bar, or you can wait for a window table.
A window table sounds nice, but I am hungry.
Question. What will Emma probably decide next? A. She will cancel the dinner immediately. B. She will choose the small table near the bar. C. She will ask for a table in the kitchen. B. She will choose the small table near the bar.
I will take the small table, please.
Good choice. I can move you if a window table opens.
That would be wonderful.
Please follow me. The table is this way.
Looking at the menu.
Daniel seats Emma near the bar. Emma wants a vegetarian meal, but the busy restaurant has some menu problems.
Here is the menu. I am sorry about the wait.
No problem. Do you have vegetarian food?
Yes, but the vegetable soup is finished.
Oh, I need to choose something else then.
Question. What will Emma probably do next? A. She will ask Daniel to change his clothes. B. She will try to read the menu for another vegetarian choice. C. She will order the finished soup. B. She will try to read the menu for another vegetarian choice.
The QR menu is not opening on my phone. Do you have a paper menu?
Yes, here you are. This one is easier.
Question. What will Emma probably ask about next? A. She will ask for the restaurant music to stop forever. B. She will ask about ingredients in a salad. C. She will ask for a new phone. B. She will ask about ingredients in a salad.
What is in the house salad?
Lettuce, tomato, cucumber, cheese, and nuts.
I cannot eat nuts. Can you make it without nuts?
Yes, I can write that clearly.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will bring the bill before the meal. B. He will add extra nuts to the salad. C. He will note the allergy and suggest a main dish. C. He will note the allergy and suggest a main dish.
We have vegetarian pasta. It is popular, but a little spicy.
I like pasta, but I do not want it very spicy.
I can ask the kitchen to make it mild.
Great. I think I am ready to order. Placing the order.
Emma is ready to order. Daniel wants to be careful, but the busy room and noise cause a small misunderstanding.
What would you like to drink?
Still water, please. With lemon.
Still water with lemon. Anything else?
Maybe a lemonade too, if it is not too sweet.
Question. What will Daniel probably ask next? A. He will ask Emma to choose the restaurant color. B. He will ask Emma to pay for the drinks now. C. He will ask if Emma wants a starter. C. He will ask if Emma wants a starter.
Would you like a starter?
Yes. Is the garlic bread made with butter?
Usually yes, but we can use olive oil.
Perfect. Garlic bread with olive oil, please.
Question. What will probably happen next? A. Emma will ask for meat soup. B. Daniel will bring a birthday cake immediately. C. Emma will order her main dish, and Daniel may mishear it. C. Emma will order her main dish, and Daniel may mishear it.
For my main dish, I want the vegetarian pasta, mild.
Chicken pasta, mild. Is that right?
No. Sorry. Vegetarian pasta. No chicken.
Thank you. I will change that now.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will bring chicken anyway. B. He will forget the drinks and leave. C. He will repeat the full order to be sure. C. He will repeat the full order to be sure.
So, still water with lemon, light lemonade, garlic bread with olive oil, and mild vegetarian pasta.
Yes. And the salad without nuts, please.
Of course. I will tell the kitchen now.
Thank you. I hope the kitchen is not too busy. A kitchen surprise.
Daniel comes back from the kitchen with bad news. Emma must decide quickly because she has plans after dinner.
Emma, I am sorry. The vegetarian pasta is finished.
Oh no. I was really looking forward to it.
We have mushroom risotto. It can be mild.
Is it vegetarian, too?
Question. What will Daniel probably explain next? A. He will explain the risotto and offer it without cheese. B. He will ask Emma to choose a new waiter. C. He will say the restaurant has no food at all. A. He will explain the risotto and offer it without cheese.
Yes, it is vegetarian. It has mushrooms, rice, and cheese.
Can I have it without cheese?
Yes, I will ask for no cheese and no nuts.
Okay. I will try the risotto, but I have a movie soon.
Question. What will probably happen next? A. Daniel will bring the food, but there may be a mistake. B. Emma will start the movie inside the restaurant. C. Daniel will cancel the risotto because Emma smiled. A. Daniel will bring the food, but there may be a mistake.
Here is your mushroom risotto.
Daniel, I think there is cheese on top.
Oh, you are right. I am very sorry.
I do not have much time now.
Question. What will Daniel probably offer next? A. He will ask Emma to eat the cheese anyway. B. He will bring the same plate back later. C. He will offer to remake the dish quickly and give dessert. C. He will offer to remake the dish quickly and give dessert.
I will remake it quickly with no cheese.
Can it be ready in 10 minutes?
Yes, and dessert will be free tonight.
Thank you. I will wait, but please be quick. Dessert and the bill.
Daniel returns with the correct dish. Emma hopes to enjoy the meal and still leave in time for her movie.
Here is the new risotto. No cheese, no nuts. It looks much better. Thank you. Please taste it. I hope it is right now.
It is delicious. And it is mild.
Question. What will Daniel probably offer next? A. He will offer Emma a free dessert. B. He will take the good risotto away. C. He will ask Emma to order the pasta again. A. He will offer Emma a free dessert.
As I promised, dessert is free. Would you like cake?
Do you have chocolate cake?
Yes, one last slice. I can add a small candle.
A candle? It is not my birthday, but it is a special dinner.
Question. What will Emma probably choose next? A. She will refuse all dessert and order soup. B. She will ask Daniel for a big pizza. C. She will take the chocolate cake with a small candle. C. She will take the chocolate cake with a small candle.
The cake is lovely. Now I need the bill, please.
Of course. Here is the bill.
Wait. I see the vegetarian pasta on the bill.
Oh, that is a mistake. I will fix it now.
Question. What will Daniel probably do next? A. He will blow out the candle and leave. B. He will remove the pasta from the bill. C. He will add another pasta to the bill. B. He will remove the pasta from the bill.
Here is the corrected bill. The pasta and dessert are not charged.
Thank you for fixing everything, Daniel.
You are welcome. I hope you enjoy your movie.
I will. And I will come back another night.